Hello! Today we'll bake some korvapuusti, that is Finnish cinnamon bun. I have here pulla dough, batter already, ready to go. Let's see how it looks like. Ooh! It has doubled in size like it should. Looking good. Let's go. Let's prepare the batter. 2 cups of warm milk, 5 teaspoons of dry yeast, and mix them together. Let the yeast dissolve. I have here 1 stick of butter. I'll melt half of it. 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 3/4 cups of sugar. And I add the microwave butter. Then let's separate 1 egg white and yolk. We'll use the yolk later. Egg white to the batter. And 1 whole egg to the batter as well. The egg yolk we will use for brushing. Let's add some water, a little bit of water there, and also a little bit of sugar. So that will be used before oven. And then let's start adding flour to the batter. I have here all-purpose flour. You need to add it bit by bit, a little bit at a time. And once the batter is it has eaten it, you add more. And then we add the rest of the butter to the batter. It's looking quite good. I didn't add all the flour yet. It should be stringy like this. A little bit more mixing, and I just want to check it out with my hands. It's looking good. And also it's quite soft. I just need to test it a little bit and taste it a little bit as well. Oh, it's good, it's good. So this is a classic pulla batter, but without the raisins. Also, cardamom is not mandatory. Needs some good kneading. I ended up using only 5.5 cups of flour this time. It's about 6 cups. The dough needs to remain soft, but it needs to have enough flour not to stick to your hands or the bowl. Cover the dough and put it to a warm place, and 50 minutes later. Oh, it's perfect. Nice, so nice. This actually didn't need so much additional flour, just when I had it reserved there. Well, some good kneading, 5 to 10 minutes. Then cut the dough to 4 pieces, or 3 is also fine. Then take one of the pieces and give it a little bit more kneading. It always needs some more. And now I have 4 pieces. Then I take one of the pieces and roll it very thin. It needs to be thin and almost square-like. Then some butter. I spread a thin layer of butter. Then we add sugar, also thinly to all over the batter. And then we need cinnamon. So then we sprinkle cinnamon like that, and then we are ready to roll it. So roll it quite tightly. Don't leave extra there. And when you have a tight roll, it needs to be cut. Cut the roll diagonally. So this is a classic cut for Finnish cinnamon buns. The thin part goes on top, and it's pushed down with a knife, not the sharp edge of the knife, and try to get all the pieces like that and secure them to the center. Before baking them in the oven, we need to brush the korvapuustit. Just brush it with the mix we made earlier. Try to cover all sides of it, and then just sprinkle some pearl sugar on top. And then to the oven, about 10 minutes, these small ones in 425 degrees. And look what I got. There is nothing like pulla fresh from the oven.